Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore eighth notes and how they relate to the music we make. In music, notes represent the length of a sound, and a whole note is our reference point. An eighth note is 1/8 the duration of a whole note. When you put two eighth notes together, they equal one beat. This is similar to a quarter note. And you can count these eighth notes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Eighth notes contribute to the rhythm and tempo of your song. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.